Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm excited to be here today to show you about the new buttonhole projection on the Aveneer EV1. Let's get started. I'm going to put my button in the buttonhole foot. The buttonhole is precisely measured by the 3 black dots on the toe of the foot, so I get the perfect size every time. Let's turn on our projector. With our projector on, I can now see my buttonhole to the left of the foot. But what if I decide I want a bigger size buttonhole? Watch the magic. It changes to a larger size. Now I want to precisely place my buttonholes evenly down the edge of my fabric, so I'm going to set my guidelines. You will notice that you have guidelines now projected on your fabric or project. I have a cloth edge guide, I have the center slit guide, and I have distance guides over here. I can change those colors to see better on my fabric by selecting the buttonhole guide, and I have one of 16 different colors to choose from. I can also change the color for the spacings if I wish. And you'll notice that those changes take place right on your fabric. We have the ability to evenly space our buttonholes vertically or horizontally. So let's take a look at horizontal spacing. Here I have my cloth guide, and then each one of these lines represents the distance between the slit of the horizontal buttonhole. But for today, we want to look closer at the vertical spacing and take a look at how we set that. The spacing is the distance between the bottom of the first sewn buttonhole to the bottom of the next buttonhole to be stitched. So I can change that spacing to whatever my desired spacing might be. Notice, even though it reads in millimeters, when you get to a common US measurement, that shows up underneath. As I'm adjusting on the screen, you can see the changes take place underneath the foot. Can actually see the guidelines, these guidelines getting closer together. Now let's take a look at our cloth edge guideline. As I change that to, you will also see it getting closer to the edge of my fabric. So let's stitch our buttonhole. Isn't that a perfect buttonhole? Now let's turn our guidelines on, and I'll show you how I align my next one so they're all evenly spaced. And now I have evenly spaced buttonholes. And here's an example of horizontally spaced buttonholes. If your fabric is a specialty or difficult to stitch fabric, the buttonhole foot stabilizer plate is the solution. You can stitch buttonholes in a variety of fabrics every time. Thanks for joining me as we took a look at the projected buttonhole features of the Aveneer EV1.